Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am Chaitali Vyas. Welcome you in Junior KG class. In previous session of Language Space English, you learned alphabet A to F. Let's revise them.
A for aeroplane, A for alligator, B for ball, B for banana, C for cup, C for cake, D for dog, D for doll, E for elephant, E for engine, F for fan, F for fruits.
Today we will learn new alphabet G. G says G. Look at these flashcards.
Here are flashcards related to alphabet G. G for grapes, G for glass, G for grass.
Now we will see some more pictures related to alphabet G.
G for goat, G for grapes, G for gate, G for girl, G for glass, G for gun, G for glue, G for gift, G for gorilla.
Now we will trace alphabet G in salt tray.
Seeker, go up, slipping line inside seeker, capital G. Seeker, go up, come down straight, curve, small g.
Now we will learn how to write alphabet G in our 4-line book, and we will draw picture related to alphabet G.
Today's date is 13/7/2020. Alphabet G. Capital G, small g. First we will write capital G. From first red line to second blue line, seeker, go up to first blue line, slipping line inside seeker. From first blue line to second blue line, seeker, go up, come down straight and curve. Seeker, go up to first blue line, slipping line, seeker, go up, come down straight and curve. Seeker, go up to first blue line, slipping line inside seeker. Seeker, go up, come down straight and curve. Seeker, go up to first blue line, slipping line. Now seeker, go up, come down straight and curve. C curve. Go up to first blue line, slipping line inside C curve. C curve. Go up, come down straight and curve. C curve. Go up, slipping line. C curve. Go up, come down straight and curve. This is how you have to complete both the lines. Now here we will draw G for glass. Slant line. Another slant line. Join with slipping line. Smiley. Cover with another smiley. G for glass. Here we will draw G for grapes. Slipping line, two standing lines, 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3 circles, 1, 2, 3. Now 2 circles, 1, 2. Now 1 circle. G for grapes.
I hope you like this video. Now children, we will meet tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe.